Oh, wow, look at this box. Okay, it's kind of small. I couldn't make it seem any bigger than what it was. I tried. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Oh, wow. This thing's giving me some fits. Didn't like me yelling at it, apparently. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Oh, this is some tough tape. Oh, we did it. We did it. Oh, wow, we got candies. Oh, it's saltwater taffy. Oh, wow. From Ocean City, Maryland. I'm going to say that that's Dolly's. No, regardless, I'm going to say this is mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, both of them favorite. That's my favorite. Very good. Very cool. And what do we have here? Oh, wow! So cool! What we have? Oh man, the taffy about did me in to get rid of that. But oh, it's so cool, Donald. Look, you have somebody that knows your secret, Donald. Josh, Friday. I bought over 100 PEZ for an Alzheimer fundraiser. Only one was special. The panda had your name and was calling to me. I had all of the others in the box, so they will be added to my extras. I have neglected my collection and my extras. I miss flea markets, PEZ gatherings, and traveling. I definitely miss seeing PEZ. Over. Friends, hope you're okay. Hope you like the panda. Love, Carole. Carole, I love this panda. So absolutely cool. Thank you very much for thinking of me when you bought a bunch of PEZ you didn't need. And also thank you for thinking about me with the taffy. Amazing. See, and that's what PEZ collecting is really about. It's not just about these wonderful candy toys that bring so much happiness. It's about PEZ Pals too. And things like this. Thank you, Carole, from the bottom of my heart. So until next time...